Hello, this is Team Rocket, and we're here to introduce you to the nervous system and the cardiovascular system. Many systems work together to provide specific functions to the human body. Different body systems include circulatory, aka cardiovascular, nervous, respiratory, digestive, skeletal, and muscular. Even though all of these body systems work together, we will only be focusing on how the nervous system and the cardiovascular system work together. It's time for a question! So the diagram from the last slide is depicted below. What do you think each body system does? The nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. They are known as the control center because they interpret information from the outside world and send instructions to all your body parts on how to respond, using your nerves. Your nerves act kind of like messengers. They receive instructions from your central nervous system and take them to all your body parts. These nerves are part of your peripheral nervous system. The somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system are part of the peripheral nervous system, and the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems are part of the autonomic nervous system. This will become clearer in the next slide. Time for another question! So, study the diagram below. Why do you think the sympathetic and parasympathetic are categorized under the autonomic nervous system? The sympathetic versus parasympathetic nervous system. Study the diagram on the right. List 3 of the functions that are interesting to you for each of the nervous systems. Explain in your own words what you think rest and digest and fight or flight means. The cardiovascular system is also known as the circulatory system and is made up of the heart, the blood vessels, and lymph vessels. Don't worry about what lymph vessels are for now. The heart pumps the blood throughout the body, while the blood vessels help transport the blood. If the difference doesn't seem clear, think of it this way. If you've ever been to the doctor, you've had your blood pressure taken using the blood pressure cuff shown on the slide. Your heart and blood vessels work together, kind of like the blood pressure cuff. When a nurse or doctor squeezes the bulb on the cuff, air is forced through the tubes and into the cuff. Your heart, similar to the bulb, squeezes to force blood through your blood vessels, which helps carry the blood to different parts of your body. It's question time again! So, look at the diagram to your right and answer the following questions. 1. How does the sympathetic nervous system help our survival? Notice that this system is active in times of fight or flight. 2. How does the parasympathetic system help our survival? Recall that this system is active in times of rest and digest. You guessed it, or maybe you didn't guess it, but we have more questions for you. So look again at the diagram to your right and answer the following questions. 1. Imagine that you're walking home and your friend suddenly jumps out of the bushes to scare you. What do you think will happen to your heart rate? Which nervous system controls this? 2. You finished a large meal and you're sitting back trying to relax. Which nervous system will signal your body to start digesting your food? While relaxing, what do you think will happen to your heart rate? 3. Why do you think it's important for the nervous system and the cardiovascular system to be able to work together? Give examples to support your answer. Yay, that's it! Yeah, science! Cool. Peace out. Team Rocket was here.